What up everyone, welcome back to episode number 2 of the Killer Combo series. My name is Kyle, I'm with Jump15.com. And this week we're going to get a little more intense. I'm going to be showing you how to do one of my more signature jump rope combos that you will often see me do. And it is going to consist of taking the skier combo that we learned in episode 1, adding that with a side-side-under side swing combo as shown here. And when you add those both together, you can end up with something like this. Those are what I call side hops, and if that looks like something that you would like to learn, let's do this. Step 1 is nail down the skier skill at different speeds to get used to jumping side to side and controlling your tempo. You need to also learn the side-side-under side swing combo. This is a simple pattern that you will ingrain in your muscle memory through repetition. Start slow and then build speed with this pattern. Step 2 is adding the two together, except the skier skill is adding in a middle jump as well. You will only be jumping the rope in the middle, and on each side jump, you will be doing the side swings. This combo is great for engaging more core and leg muscles to increase the intensity of your workouts. Step 3, here we are just going to add a little more style to the move by bending the leg that we aren't jumping off of. It's a simple addition that makes the skill look even better. Step 4, now we are going to add in the side hops. Use the alternate leg skill to lead into the combo. Let's break this into 3 steps. Plant to jump and side swing to the outside. Begin jump with a side swing to the inside, open arms, and jump the rope. Upon landing, enter into the side-side-under and back to alternate leg. You can now repeat going in the other direction. Step 5, now all we have to do is add in moving forward and then execute the previous step. Try not to get ahead of yourself here. You will have a tendency to start moving too fast due to all the moving parts. Stay relaxed, go at your speed, and have fun. Learning new skills and combos is the best part of jump rope. Mastering this combo will take time, so be patient. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.